Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Planner with Teams task assignments, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the desired team. Locate the channel associated with your project. At the top, find the Tabs section and click on the Planner tab. If you don't see a Planner tab, click the plus icon to add it. Once in Planner, familiarize yourself with the layout. You will see a list of tasks associated with your project. To update a task assignment, identify the task you want to modify. Click on the task to open the task details. Under the Assign to section, click on the drop-down menu. From the list, choose the team member you want to assign the task to. If you want to assign multiple users, check the boxes next to their names. You can also add comments or additional details in the Notes section if needed. Once you've made your changes, click the Save button. Return to your main Planner screen to see the updated task assignments. To ensure your team is aware of the changes, consider posting an update in the chat. You can also mention team members to draw their attention to the updated assignments. Repeat this process for any other tasks you wish to update. Regularly review and adjust assignments as project needs evolve. By following these steps, you will keep your Microsoft Planner updated with accurate task assignments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.